Hey guys, it's Tony. I posted 2 videos on what happened early this morning on AMC and freaking on AMC, GameStop, BlackBerry, Nokia. I can't believe that they did this, man. I'm so pissed off. Like, I lost out on like 20K profit today. This has to be the most illegal thing. I'm gonna try not to cuss because I think that's what my last 2 videos got blocked, because I cussed or maybe I hashtag something. So go to my profile, look at the 2 videos that I just posted, and then watch that. But if I'm actually out of all my AMC option positions. I sold everything this morning. As soon as I woke up, I was like, this is insane, dude. I can't believe this is legal. But if you're watching this, 100% flood into DogeCoin. DogeCoin is going to be available. They're going to start executing stuff on Robinhood soon, so you're going to be able to buy it again. But 100%, everybody needs to go into DogeCoin. F these hedge funds, man. F the banks. F everybody, dude. This is basic. It's a rigged system. We all know 100% for sure right now that it's a rigged system. And big money is the only money that gets to make money on the stock market and everywhere else. If you want to actually make cash, plug into DogeCoin, dude, because this is absolutely insane. This is the dumbest, most stupidest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And the fact that this is being done is the most illegal thing in the absolute fucking world.